Stephen, the brakes are off now. So there's a lot of news going to come through. Obviously, the development of this partnership is going to be very exciting for the company.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Anthony Viljoen, the CEO of Andrada Mining. Anthony, good to speak with you this morning. Could you take us through the major aspects of this deal for Andrada?
Stephen, thanks, and good to chat to you again. This is a significant deal for the company. It's probably our biggest deal to date. Getting a world-class partner like SQM on board to work together and alongside our team to develop what we believe are some world-class assets is really a strong backing for the company, and from not only from a financial point of view but also from a technical point of view. So this really lays the platform for what we keep maintaining is a growth and expansion phase for the company, and a very exciting development all round.
How does the agreement impact the value of the company, Anthony?
So, this asset was sitting on our balance sheet at $2 million, and this deal effectively values the asset quite substantially more than that. So it does show that there is a lot of value in the work that we're doing, and especially in value creation for all shareholders. And we hope that this is only the start of this asset and the development of this asset, alongside obviously our very exciting Uis asset that we continue to develop with our partners there, and Brandberg West. So all in all, everything that we've communicated in the past seems to be coming together now. It's taken a little longer in some instances, but we're at the cusp of that exponential growth curve that we keep talking about, and establishing ourselves as a mid-tier critical raw materials producer.
How will the deal impact Andrada's lithium development strategy?
This will massively accelerate our lithium development strategy, and as I said earlier, the depth of knowledge on lithium that SQM bring, they're one of the biggest lithium producers globally. So working in a collaborative manner with SQM will help us accelerate and unlock the lithium value a lot quicker than what we would have done normally. There's a large body of knowledge that we can access through and use, given all of their experience in Mount Holland in Australia and Azure Minerals in Australia. And this really lays the platform for an expansion of the development of the lithium potential and critical raw materials potential in Namibia.
You already mentioned technical as well as financial inputs. So there will be technical inputs by the SQM team, even though Andrada is the project manager.
Yes, we are going to establish a joint technical committee, and that will obviously allow for a lot of information sharing between the parties, and we're already working very well on a collaborative basis with SQM, and will increase the knowledge base dramatically in a very accelerated fashion, as I said earlier.
So what catalysts then should we expect from Andrada in the next 12 months?
Well, Stephen, the brakes are off now. So there's a lot of news going to come through. Obviously, the development of this partnership is going to be very exciting for the company. We're doing some great work already with our pilot facility at Uis. There's a lot of drilling that's due in the not too distant future, hopefully. So I think that the real catalyst for the company's growth and expansion are about to hit the ground, and we're very excited to be delivering all this good news to the market.
I hope you'll keep us updated with any additional progress. Anthony, thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen, and good to speak to you again.
That's Anthony Viljoen, the CEO of Andrada Mining.